All right, we've got some birthdays to celebrate on this fine Monday morning, and we are beginning in Cherokee with Rosalie Dietz, turning 4 years old today. Rosalie, a very happy birthday to you this morning.
All right, and Daniel and Aoife McShane, the McShane twins, celebrating birthday number 5 this year in Baxter Springs with love from Mom, Dad, and Patty.
We've also got Lucas Hendricks, turning 5 years old as well in Parsons today. Lucas, a very happy birthday to you.
And let's see, Cooper Minton turned 7 strong this past weekend on Saturday. Happy birthday to Cooper.
And we've got Braden Morrison turning 22 in Lamar, and he's attending Ozark Christian College. A very happy Monday birthday to you, Braden.
All right, Austin Pike celebrating birthday number 29 in Nevada.
And Tucker Pike, who happens to be Austin's nephew, also in Nevada, turning 8 years old today. Happy birthday, Tucker.
Mike Sisney celebrating birthday number 44 in Girard with love from Missy, Evan, Aiden, Marley and Quinn, Mom and Gail, and Jerry and Diane. Basically the whole family. Happy birthday, Mike.
And we've got Rick Clark over in St. Paul turning 50 years old today. Rick, a very happy birthday to you.
And in Columbus, because the party's in the bus, Holly Johnson is celebrating another year.
And we've got Gary Steele in Yates Center, pictured here with his wife and all of his grandchildren. Gary, it looks like you're going to have one heck of a birthday party celebration today. Happy birthday to you in Yates Center.
Janet Maher celebrating a birthday in Chanute. Happy birthday, Janet.
And we've got Matt and Amber Alloway celebrating their 12th anniversary in Parsons. A very happy anniversary to the both of you.
All right, our birthday and anniversary list goes on. In Joplin, Donna Richardson celebrating today. Siler Schuberger celebrating birthday number sweet 16 in the bus.
And we've got Marietta Nicholson celebrating in Pittsburgh, and Eric and Mandy Schmelzer celebrating their 23rd wedding anniversary in the bus.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to us at birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And why don't you go check out our website, because while you're there, not only do you get the latest news and all that good stuff, you also have an opportunity to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. When you do so, you get some incredible deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.